Welcome back. Are you aware of neobanks? They are gaining popularity and challenging traditional banking models. So, the main question is, what is neobanks? Neobanks, also known as digital banks or challenger banks, are a new breed of financial institutions that operate entirely online, without physical branches. These banks leverage technology, particularly mobile apps and web platforms, to offer a range of financial services to their customers. Neobanks aim to provide a more seamless, convenient, and customer-centric banking experience compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Want to know some of the key features? Let's find out. Number 1. Digital-first approach. Neobanks have no physical branches, and all banking services are conducted online through their mobile apps or websites. This digital-first approach allows them to reach a broader customer base and reduce operational costs. Number 2. User-friendly mobile apps. Neobanks typically offer intuitive and user-friendly mobile apps that enable customers to manage their accounts, conduct transactions, and access financial services with ease. Number 3. Product offering. Neobanks offer a range of basic banking services, such as checking and savings accounts, payment processing, and debit cards. Some neobanks may also provide additional financial products like personal loans, investment options, and insurance products. Number 4. Fast and easy account opening. Opening an account with a neobank usually involves a quick and seamless digital onboarding process, often requiring minimal documentation. Number 5. Transparency and no hidden fees. Many neobanks pride themselves on transparency and offer fee-free or low-fee services. They often highlight their pricing structures and strive to eliminate hidden fees commonly associated with traditional banks. Number 6. Personalization and AI integration. Some neobanks leverage AI and machine learning to offer personalized financial recommendations and insights based on customers' spending habits and financial goals. Number 7. Partnerships and integrations. Neobanks often collaborate with fintech companies and other third-party service providers to expand their offerings and provide customers with a more comprehensive suite of financial services. Number 8. Global accessibility. Since neobanks operate digitally, they are accessible from anywhere, making them an attractive option for travelers and people who frequently move between countries. Number 9. Security and customer support. Neobanks prioritize robust security measures and typically offer customer support through digital channels, such as in-app chat or email. Number 10. Targeting digital native customers. Neobanks often appeal to tech-savvy, younger customers who are comfortable with managing their finances through digital platforms. It's important to note that while neobanks are gaining popularity and challenging traditional banking models, they may not offer the same level of financial products, physical services, or regulatory protections as established banks. As with any financial institution, it's crucial for customers to research and understand the features, fees, and regulatory framework of a neobank before opening an account. To understand neobanks better, let's dive deep into learning more and understand its advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with advantages of neobanks first. Number 1. Convenience and accessibility. Neobanks offer a digital-first approach, allowing customers to access their accounts and conduct transactions anytime, anywhere through mobile apps and web platforms. Number 2. Easy account opening. Opening an account with a neobank is often a streamlined and quick process, usually requiring minimal documentation compared to traditional banks. Number 3. Low fees or fee-free services. Many neobanks offer fee-free or low-fee services, providing cost savings for customers compared to traditional banks that may have various fees for different transactions. Number 4. User-friendly apps. Neobanks typically provide intuitive and user-friendly mobile apps making it easier for customers to manage their finances, track expenses, and make payments. Number 5. Personalization and insights. Some neobanks leverage AI and data analytics to offer personalized financial insights and recommendations, helping customers better manage their money and achieve their financial goals. Number 6. Innovative features. Neobanks often introduce innovative features and services that may not be readily available in traditional banks, such as real-time spending notifications, roundup savings, and cryptocurrency options. Number 7. Global accessibility. Since neobanks operate digitally, they are accessible from anywhere in the world, making them suitable for international travelers and expatriates. Last but not the least. Number 8. Collaborations and integrations. Neobanks frequently collaborate with fintech companies and third-party providers, expanding their service offerings and creating a comprehensive financial ecosystem for customers. Now let us also see the disadvantages of neobanks. Number 1. 1. Limited product offerings. Neobanks may not provide the same range of financial products and services as traditional banks. For example, they might not offer complex investment options or specialized financial planning services. Number 2. Less established reputation. As relatively new players in the banking industry, some customers may have concerns about the stability and reliability of neobanks compared to well-established traditional banks. Number 3. Regulatory challenges. Neobanks might face regulatory hurdles in certain regions, and customers may have questions about the level of protection their deposits have compared to traditional banks. Number 4. Customer support limitations. While many neobanks offer customer support through digital channels, some customers may prefer face-to-face interactions, which may not be available with digital-only banks. Number 5. Dependence on technology. Neobanks heavily rely on technology, and any disruptions in their systems or cybersecurity breaches could affect customer access and trust. Number 6. Integration with traditional banking services. Neobanks may not seamlessly integrate with certain traditional banking services, leading to challenges when customers need services that can only be offered by brick-and-mortar banks. Number 7. Target audience limitations. Some neobanks may primarily target tech-savvy customers, potentially leaving out segments of the population less familiar or comfortable with digital banking. Therefore, it is important to note that the advantages and disadvantages of neobanks may vary depending on the specific institution and the region it operates in. As the neobanking landscape continues to evolve, it's essential for customers to assess their individual banking needs and preferences before choosing between a neobank and a traditional bank. Did you find this video helpful and informative? If yes, hit the like button. Comment below on which topic you want to see me creating the next video upon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming insightful videos. Stay tuned.